Okay, social media land. You heard me talk about it. You want to know what it's about? Go check out my post and you'll hear all about it. This card does not contain anything new. This is not anything that the world of wigs does not already know. It's just that I've accumulated this knowledge over the years. And you're not going to get this card and know everything that I know for years. But you're going to come in and you're going to understand your own problems with wigs, because I'm going to go over your measurements and what your client profile is, what your issues are. Go to my post, check it out, and share it with friends, because this is going to blow their minds. Introducing our new concept in consultations. This card is not the mind-blowing consultation concept. What's mind-blowing is that historically, I would say for at least the past 20 years, consultations have been free in the world of Jewish community wigs. And what that always meant was you walked into a place and you looked through wigs for free. You could look through the wigs and see if you could find something that you liked, see if you could find something that suited your needs. Sometimes you got help by a pushy sales girl. Sometimes you got help by somebody who was not pushy. Sometimes you got help by somebody who didn't know anything about how wigs should fit you, and they said, "Oh, how does it feel?" And you were like, "Not sure." Sometimes you knew exactly what you were looking for. Great, no problem. Sometimes you were an easy fit, sometimes not so much. And nobody other than you knew. So, here's what we're going to do. Sometimes you walk into a place and they want a fee for a consultation. You can look through wigs for free, but if you want an appointment with the business owner, if you want an attention from somebody who knows what they're doing, you have to pay a consultation fee. And sometimes you got that consultation fee credited back to the price of your wig. We're going to change all that. We're introducing an idea that's never been done before. We're introducing the idea that you can come to me for your information, and I'll give you this card to take home. It's a card, nothing special. But what's in here is an accumulation of my knowledge. Am I the best? Am I different than everybody else? I might not be the best. I might not be the worst. But I do something different than everybody else. And people have been asking me for it for a long time. And here's my way of making it available to everybody. You can pay a consultation fee to come and sit with me so that I can measure your head. We're going to go over what your head does in the 7 different directions that I measure. And we're going to tell you what's different about you so that you can take that knowledge anywhere you want. You're going to pay a fee for it, but you're going to take it anywhere. It's yours. It's your head. You can take the information wherever you want to go. But then, if you go somewhere and you're buying a wig on a sale, on a table, whatever the case is, and the people you're buying from don't know, at least you know what to look for. And if you're going somewhere where the people do know, but they're not treating you the way that you think you need to be treated because of your specific measurements, you know better. So you can take this information and you can come back to me, or you can go anywhere else. But the point is, you now know your own profile. That's what we're going to do for you. You can DM us, you can call me, you can message me, and ask me anything else you want about this process, or to book an appointment. Looking forward to seeing you and helping you figure out your own profile.